What's up, Savage Gang? It's your boy Dun Beezy, and we're back here live with another skate tutorial. Today we're going to be learning a beginner jam skater move known as the head. Fight. Before we get into the nitty gritty, if you like my material, you want to make sure you don't miss a skate tutorial, you're trying to get your style up, you're trying to work out a little bit, please like, please subscribe, and please follow me on all my social media. They're linked inside my account, or you can follow me at DunBeezyTV on TikTok and Instagram. Well, anyway, let's get into it. Step number one, you need to get on the ground. You can get on the ground however you want. I have a lot of different ways that I get on the ground, but when I'm practicing this move to get on the ground, I squat down as low as I can get. I put my hands down on the ground and I slide my feet out. I like to slide my feet out close together, like straight. I used to slide out in a V motion, but what I really realized, it's hard to make that V look good when you're going really fast. If you have the strength, you can do it. But something else about putting your feet out straight is that it is just faster. Pull them out, pull them in. And it's gonna cost you less energy. And that's gonna be important. Stick around to the end, to the common mistakes, and I promise you, it will change your style. I like to put mine out forward and then bring them back. And then when I bring them back, you put one foot in and then you're gonna cross the other foot over. So if you're balancing on your left foot, you will cross your right foot over your left foot. And you wanna make kind of like a T motion with your legs. Second part about this move, and the second level of this move, is the arms. You can keep both of your arms on the ground, and I see some people keeping both of their arms on the ground, but I like to alternate. If my left foot is supporting me, I like to put my right hand up and kind of just salute to the people. If my right foot is holding me up, I like to put my left hand up. I do this because I break dance too, and one thing that you'll see some break dancers doing when they're really styling is they'll put a hand on their head or they'll put a hand on their hat to show the crowd that you're styling. But you can also keep your feet, your hands on the ground. If both of your hands on the ground, it's easier and you're going to move faster. This move is easy. It's so easy that you can look sloppy easily. And the easy way to look sloppy is to not have the form of the move. The thing that makes it look good is going out, in, out, in. It needs to look strong. Looking strong is the first part. And the second part is knowing exactly where your body is going. Do your feet come out straight right next to each other, shoulder width, or do they come out to a V? Which one is it? Make a choice and stick with it. And the last thing, it's really easy to lean back on this, lean up, and kind of push your shoulders down. Some of you might not work out, kind of like you're doing a dip. If you were doing a dip, your arms would be right beside your body. Your arms wouldn't be in front of your body, your arms would be right beside your body. I always say to myself, if you're gonna get on the ground, it gotta look tight. Because if you rolling around on the ground in the skating rink and it's not looking tight, then it takes away from everything that you are able to put together. It takes away from everything that you do. Like, you gotta be able to get on the ground smooth and get up smooth. And my basic way to get up is come back into my knee and stand straight up. Just stand up. Well, anyway, that's everything I have for you today, Savage Gang. If you like the video, please like, please subscribe. And if you have a skate move that you want to learn, please leave a comment. I'm trying to do 1,000 skate videos this year, I swear. I was making a plan and I was like, wow, man. Well, at the current rate that things are going, you might need to make 1,000 skate videos. And I was like, well, then I guess I'm just going to have to make 1,000 skate tutorial videos. So let me know anything that you want to know, anything that you've been wondering about as a skater, just talk to your boy. Well, anyway, until next time, see you later, Savage Gang. Bye.